Days have passed. Ukraine executed its most devastating strike against Russia since the war began, destroying 41 aircraft, hitting deep behind enemy lines. The world reacted. Russia is scrambling, Ukraine is emboldened. But from the Trump administration? Silence. Still. Not 3 hours. Not 3 days. 4 days and counting. No comment. No tweet. Not a single word from the man who once claimed he could end this war in 24 hours. And while his Secretary of State took a courtesy call from Russia's Lavrov, it wasn't to declare peace, it wasn't to condemn aggression, it was a reaction, a footnote, in a conflict that's moving forward without America. In psychology, we call this avoidant leadership. The refusal to speak when the stakes are high isn't neutrality, it's ego protection. Because when the narrative no longer fits, leaders often vanish, not out of strategy, but out of fear of irrelevance. Remember, this was supposed to be Trump's moment. The "I alone can fix it" foreign policy doctrine. But when Ukraine pulled off what no one expected, they didn't ask for Trump. They didn't need him. And maybe that's why he's still quiet. In power psychology, silence is never just the absence of speech, it's a signal to allies, to enemies, and to voters. What happens when the self-proclaimed deal-maker has nothing to say? This is the P3 perspective, where we decode the psychology behind power, people, and politics. Subscribe, share, and remember, even silence is loud when the world's listening.